Hello viewers, this is Shipra Gupta from St. Xavier's Hardoi. Once again I am here to share with you a new topic, that is counting back. But before starting the topic, please subscribe my school channel, press the bell icon to get latest notification. And if you like this video, so please like it and share it. Now let's start our topic. What is counting back? Students, meet your new friend. This is QB. QB loves to eat carrots. QB came here to learn about counting back. So now move on the class. Children,
Hello children, how are you all?
We are fine, thank you, ma'am.
Children,
Okay, ma'am.
today we are going to learn counting back. So Ria, do you know about counting back? No ma'am, I don't know. Okay, I will tell. Children, when we count any number from small to big, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When we count any number in this sequence is called counting, number counting. Okay? But when we reverse this process means when we count from big to small, when we count any number from big to small, like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this full process is called counting back or backward counting. Are you getting, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ria, you stand and tell me counting back from 10 to 1. Ma'am, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now Rohan, you tell me.
Ma'am, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, it means you all have learned counting back properly. Very good, you all.
children, as in the class we learned, counting back means reverse process. So look at here. These all are numbers. Number 1 to 10. So, children, number 1 to 10 represents itself as a staircase. Suppose that Adyan, you are here, your home is here, and your friend, your best friend, Suham, lives here. And you want to go Suham's home to inform him about Google classes. So, Adyan starts moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now he reached Soham's home. After explaining the importance of Google Classrooms and suggest him to join the class right now, Adyan wants to come back home. So now tell me, how will he come back? Think and tell me. Yes, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now Adyan reach his home. Very good, you all. So this way, when you go down from big number to a small number, so it is called backward counting. And this process is called reverse process. You otherwise reverse order. Are you getting, children? So now come. Look at the picture. Children, this is a train. So this train is also moving in reverse direction or opposite direction. You look at here. It is moving in reverse direction. So first number is 10. Then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this way, 10 to 1 number shows itself counting back. So, children, now we all learn counting back from 10 to 1. So, all of you say along with me: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, these numbers are called counting back. Counting back doesn't mean you have to count only 10 to 1. Numbers should be 20, 19, 18, 17 or 15, 14, 13, 12. Any number. Any number. Only the process when more number to less number. It is called counting back. Okay, children. Now we will do some exercises. Okay, count backwards and write the missing numbers. Here you have to count backwards and complete the missing numbers, children. Okay, so 10, 9, then blank, blank, then 6, 5, blank, 3, blank, 1. So now completed. 10, 9. After 9, which number will come? Children, tell me. 8. Very good, you all. 8. And after 8? 7. Then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, children? And children, here, I told you now 10, 9, then 8 and then 7. These all are not an after number. These numbers come before 9 comes before 10. So 8 comes before 9. So 7 comes before 8. So these all are before numbers. But they are written in this sequence. Okay. Now the next question. 10, then 9, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now last question. First number is missing, then 9, then missing 7, then blank, 5, blank, 3, blank, blank. So first number, big number, yes, 10, 9, then 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, you all. Now come on next page. Count back and write the number. One has been done for you. All have listen to me, children, very carefully. Count all these objects and write the number. So first one I have already done. Count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is already written. Now the next number. Count these rackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what you have to write here? 9. In this way you count all objects and write the number in front. Okay. In front these pictures. So come on next. Here you also do it by own. But listen to me what you have to do here. As earlier exercise we have completed the missing numbers in the same way. 10. With blank, 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 then 5, then 4, then again blank, blank. 10. Which number will come? 9, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good, you all. So in the same way, question number 2, count by 1 from 10 to 1. 10 to 1 same. So 10, then 9, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the same way here also. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the last, same. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, children? Now, last exercise. In this exercise, same thing, you have to complete the missing numbers. Okay? There are some parachutes. In this parachutes, you have to write the numbers. But the number should be here. Look at here, look at the picture. The last number is 20. So you have to write counting back from 20 to 1. Are you getting, children? 20 to 1 means after first number 20, so then 19. After 19, children, 18, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Easy na? Very good. So all of you complete this exercise also. Okay, children? I hope you all have learned counting back properly. So children, stay home, be safe, keep learning. Thanks for watching. Children, bye.